Hello and welcome to the Electronics Foundation, brought to you by the Global Electronics Association. I am Charlene Gunter and will be walking you through the various benefits associated with the program. We're excited to have learned that you and your faculty advisor at your academic institution is excited to allow you to grow based off of current industry-related knowledge, courses, applying for scholarships, accessing to standards, everything that will build out your professional profile and equipping you with the necessary skills and knowledge for when you enter the workforce. You have probably registered to become a member of the organization. After registration, you will have to log in to access these member benefits. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step what the next steps are. Visit electronicsfoundation.org. Click on Login on the right top hand of the page. Create a username and password and sign in. Once you are in, you will be able to access a range of courses available on your profile under the library. These courses are listed here in English, but we are expanding into international regions, and therefore you will find some Spanish courses on page 2. These courses are included in your membership. We also have a section here which is exclusive webinars. This includes exciting technical and career-related topics for you, extra additional knowledge sharing, as well as students sharing their research papers. To access these courses, you will click on View Course. It will provide you with instructions, and you will log in accessing this course through Electronics U, which is on another platform. Coming back to your member dashboard, you will have the benefits additionally associated on the Member Resources tab. Here we have the applications that will take you to scholarship opportunities. We have listed a short description what these scholarships opportunities entail, and you can definitely take advantage of those. You have access to 2 standards. You will click on a purple button here and submit. Make your selections and submit. Standards will be sent to you via email with specific username and password instructions because it's only accessible 1 per 1. Student Chapter Toolkit is an opportunity and a space for you to grow, be active, and utilize the customizable templates that we have created. We are currently working on expanding this into different languages. You can also request an electronic version of your membership certificate. If you're interested to grow on a professional profile, you can access these opportunities to apply for serving as a student member on the board of directors and also participating in the Emerging Engineer program paired up by a mentor. And then rewarding your teacher, educator, instructor, or professor by nominating them for the Michael Carano Teacher Excellence Award. That is also a scholarship available to them. So on your member dashboard, you will have clicks and links that will take you to the additional benefits. Under My Library, you will have access to your standards. After completing each one of these certificate courses, you will get a certificate of completion. Please note that this is not a certification nor a credential. We trust and hope that you will enjoy every second of your membership. If you need any additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact us, a local representative within your region, or connect with your chapter advisor. Have a wonderful rest of your day and happy engineering.